Bro, let me tell you something that nobody talks about. And honestly, it changed everything for me because 2 years ago I walked into rooms and literally nobody noticed me. Like I was invisible. I could feel people looking through me like I was made of glass. And that emptiness, that feeling of being forgettable, it destroyed me inside. But then I discovered something so simple yet so insanely powerful that within weeks people started treating me different. They started listening when I spoke. They started making space for me, and I am not talking about fake confidence tricks or pretending to be someone you are not. I am talking about a real psychological shift that makes your presence impossible to ignore. And if you leave this video right now, you are going to stay stuck in that same invisible loop where people overlook you, forget your name, and never take you seriously. So, stay with me, because this might be the most important 5 minutes of your year, okay? So, here's the first thing you need to understand. Your aura is not some mystical nonsense. It is literally the energy you project through micro behaviors that your brain sends out without you even knowing. And the number one hack that changed everything for me was learning to move slower. I know it sounds stupid, but listen, when you rush, when you fidget, when you react instantly to everything, you signal to people that you are not in control of your own body. And if you cannot control yourself, how can anyone trust you to handle anything else? The moment I started moving with intention, pausing before speaking, taking my time to turn my head when someone called my name, everything shifted. People started leaning in, waiting for my words, and here is the psychology behind it. Our brains are wired to notice stillness and chaos. When everyone is rushing and reacting, you become magnetic by simply being calm. And if this is hitting different for you right now, you are probably the kind of person who actually wants to grow. And I respect that, because most people will scroll past this and stay exactly where they are, but not you. The second hack is about your eyes. And I am not talking about creepy staring. I mean learning to hold eye contact for just 1 second longer than comfortable. Because that 1 second communicates that you are not afraid, that you are present, that you have nothing to hide, and people feel that they cannot explain it, but they feel it. The third thing is your voice, and this one took me months to figure out. But speaking from your chest instead of your throat makes you sound grounded, powerful, unmovable. Try it right now. Say your name from your chest. Feel the difference. That is the voice that makes people stop and listen. And finally, the biggest shift was internal. I stopped seeking validation. I stopped needing people to like me. And the moment I became okay with being disliked, something crazy happened. More people started respecting me, because neediness repels but self-sufficiency attracts. So here is what I want you to do after this video. Pick one of these hacks, just one, and practice it for 7 days straight, and watch how differently the world starts treating you, because you deserve to be seen, to be heard, to be remembered, but nobody is going to hand that to you. You have to build it, and the time to start is not tomorrow, not next week. It is right now, because the person you are meant to become is waiting for you to finally show up.